Good evening, everyone. Tonight I've got my double unboxing. I'm going to do two videos. This one, and this is going to be the newest Meshuggah record. I also have another video I'll be doing just immediately after this that I'll post as soon as I finish it. So, pretty excited to check out this release from Nuclear Blast. This comes directly from the label. So far so good. Sorry, I got a pretty wicked glare on there. Let me take it out of the package. So I got they had several limited colored vinyl pressings. They had a picture disc, which looked amazing, but I'm just not a big fan of picture disc, the sound quality that is. They had the one I picked, they had kind of a splatter vinyl, I believe. I don't know. This one's supposed to be splatter, but I think it was like a half and half, like the color on this one. I can't remember. I saw recently they had like an electric blue, which looked really cool. I think they had a solid brown. Still get my glare pretty good, but awesome cover art there. Tracks are really hard to read, but they're there. Oh no, I did get the splatter. Couldn't remember if I got this or the solid blue and brown. It's really hard to see, but there's some blue spots in there. Mostly brown though, looks pretty good. So that is nothing in inner sleeves or anything like that. This is going to be all the tracks and everything are listed here. And the lyrics. Alright, so there's the newest Meshuggah record, The Violent Sleep of Reason. Can't wait to blast this and check it out. And That literally puts me right back into owning every Meshuggah record with that box set that was purchased earlier this year. So another great release by Nuclear Blast. So if you're into metal records, check them out. They got some good stuff there.